Today, we're having a relaxed conversation about work and daily work life.
You'll hear the kind of English people use when they talk about their jobs.
Just relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the conversation.
All right, Jane, let's begin. Hey everyone,
Welcome back.
I'm Ben.
And I'm Jane.
Today, we're talking about something very common.
Work.
Most people talk about work almost every day.
Yes, it's a big part of life.
People talk about their jobs with coworkers,
With friends.
with family.
Sometimes even with strangers.
Exactly.
Work becomes a natural conversation topic.
Jane, let me ask you something.
Okay.
Do you enjoy your work?
Yes, I do.
That's good.
But some days are easier than others.
That's very true.
Some days feel productive.
And some days feel long.
Exactly.
What do you enjoy most about your work?
I enjoy solving problems.
That's satisfying.
Yes,
When you solve a problem, it feels rewarding.
exactly.
What about the difficult parts of work?
Sometimes there are too many tasks.
Too many things to do?
Yes,
That can feel stressful.
a little.
I think many people feel that way.
Yes, especially when deadlines are close.
Deadlines can create pressure.
But sometimes pressure helps people focus.
That's a good point.
A little pressure can motivate people.
But too much pressure can be exhausting.
Exactly.
What kind of work environment do you prefer?
I prefer friendly workplaces.
Friendly coworkers make a big difference.
They really do.
When people support each other, work becomes easier.
Yes.
Have you ever worked in a very positive team?
Yes, I have.
What made that team special?
Everyone respected each other.
Respect is important.
People were willing to help.
That creates a good atmosphere.
Exactly.
Did that make the job more enjoyable?
Definitely. Even difficult tasks feel easier with good coworkers.
That's very true. On the other hand, some workplaces are more challenging.
Yes.
Sometimes communication is difficult.
Or people misunderstand each other.
Miscommunication can create problems.
That's why clear communication is important at work.
People need to explain their ideas clearly.
And they also need to listen carefully.
Listening is a very important skill,
Yes.
especially in teamwork.
When people listen well, projects run smoothly.
Exactly. Jane, do you remember your first job?
Yes, I do.
How did it feel?
Honestly, I was nervous.
That's completely normal.
Everything was new.
New coworkers,
New responsibilities.
new routines.
Exactly.
Starting something new can feel intimidating.
Yes,
But over time, things become easier.
that's true.
Experience builds confidence.
And confidence makes work more enjoyable.
Exactly. Starting a new job can be an interesting experience.
Yes, it can be exciting and a little scary at the same time.
Exactly.
There are so many new things to learn.
New systems,
New coworkers,
new responsibilities.
sometimes even a new routine.
Jane, do you remember how your first week at your first job felt?
Yes, very clearly.
Tell me about it.
I remember feeling a little overwhelmed.
Overwhelmed.
Yes,
Why?
because there was so much information.
That makes sense.
Everyone was explaining different things.
Instructions
Yes,
and procedures?
exactly.
It can feel like a lot at the beginning.
It really can.
How did you handle it?
I try to focus on one thing at a time.
That's a good strategy.
If I thought about everything at once, I felt stressed.
But focusing on one task helped.
Yes,
Did your coworkers help you?
They did.
That's good.
One coworker was especially helpful.
What did they do?
They showed me how to do many tasks.
Like a mentor.
Exactly.
Having someone guide you can make a huge difference.
It really can.
I remember my first job too.
How was it?
Very busy.
Busy right away?
Yes.
That sounds intense.
I had many tasks on my first week.
Did that make you nervous?
A little.
What helped you manage the situation?
I started making small lists.
Lists?
Yes,
Like a to-do list?
exactly.
That's a great idea.
Writing tasks down helped organize my thoughts.
That makes sense.
When everything is in your head, it feels overwhelming.
But when it's written down, it feels manageable.
Exactly.
Did the lists help you stay productive?
Very much. Each time I finished a task, I crossed it off the list.
That must have felt satisfying.
It really did.
Small progress feels good.
Yes. Even completing one small task can boost your motivation.
That's true.
Another thing I noticed about work is that people communicate a lot.
Yes, communication is everywhere.
People talk in meetings,
They talk during breaks
they send messages.
and emails.
Communication keeps everything moving.
Without communication, teamwork becomes difficult.
Exactly. Jane, do you prefer working independently or working in a team?
That's a good question.
What do you think?
I think both styles have advantages.
Explain that.
Working independently allows you to focus deeply,
That's true.
but teamwork allows people to share ideas.
And different perspectives.
Exactly.
Sometimes teamwork creates better solutions
Yes.
because multiple people contribute.
That's why collaboration is important.
Collaboration is a big part of many workplaces. Do you enjoy brainstorming with coworkers?
Yes, brainstorming can be very interesting
Why?
because everyone brings different.
Starting a new job can be an interesting experience. Jane, let's talk about something many people experience at work.
What's that?
Stress.
Ah, yes, work stress.
Almost everyone has experienced it at some point.
That's true.
Some days work feels calm.
And other days feel very busy.
Exactly.
Deadlines can create pressure,
They really can.
especially when multiple tasks need to be finished at the same time.
That can feel overwhelming.
Yes.
How do you usually deal with stressful work days?
I try to stay organized.
Organization helps.
Yes.
What do you do to stay organized?
I prioritize my tasks.
Meaning you decide which tasks are most important?
Exactly.
That sounds helpful.
It is.
When everything feels urgent, it can be hard to focus.
That's why prioritizing helps.
You handle the most important task first,
Yes.
then move to the next one.
Exactly.
I also think taking short breaks helps during a busy day.
Yes, breaks are important.
Even a short 5-minute break can refresh your mind.
Sometimes people forget to take breaks.
That's true,
They work continuously for many hours.
but that can reduce productivity.
Yes,
Our brains need small pauses.
just like muscles need rest during exercise.
That's a great comparison. Jane, what do you usually do during a short break at work?
Sometimes I walk around for a few minutes.
Walking can be refreshing.
Yes,
Do you ever talk with coworkers during breaks?
Yes, sometimes.
What do people usually talk about?
Many different things.
Like what?
Sometimes work topics.
That makes sense.
Sometimes weekend plans.
That's a popular topic.
Or food.
Food is always a good conversation topic.
Everyone enjoys talking about food.
That's true. Speaking of weekends, what do you like to do after a long work week?
I like relaxing.
That sounds nice.
Maybe watching a movie.
Movies are relaxing.
Or spending time with friends.
Social time can help people recharge.
Yes.
Some people also enjoy outdoor activities
Like hiking.
or cycling.
Those activities help people clear their minds.
Exactly. I think work-life balance is very important.
Absolutely.
People need time to rest and recover.
Without balance, people can become exhausted.
Yes. When people work too much, their energy decreases.
And their motivation can drop.
That's why balance matters.
Work is important.
But life outside of work is important too.
Exactly.
Jane, do you think people today talk more about work-life balance than before?
I think so.
Why do you think that is?
Because people are becoming more aware of mental health.
That's a good point.
People understand that rest improves productivity.
When people feel healthy and balanced, they work better.
Exactly.
Healthy workers are more focused
And more creative.
and happier too.
Happiness at work matters.
It really does. Another interesting part of work is learning new skills.
Yes.
Many jobs require constant learning.
Technology changes quickly.
Work processes also evolve.
People need to adapt.
Learning new things keeps work interesting.
It does.
It also keeps the brain active.
That's true.
Jane, what motivates people to work hard?
That's an interesting question.
What do you think?
I think motivation comes from many sources.
Like what?
Purpose.
Purpose is powerful.
When people believe their work matters, they feel motivated.
That's true.
Another motivation is personal growth.
Learning and improving.
Exactly.
And sometimes people are motivated by teamwork.
Yes.
Working together toward a goal can be inspiring.
It really can.
Work is a big part of life,
Yes.
but it's also a place where people learn
Grow.
and connect with others.
Exactly.
Every job teaches something new,
Even difficult jobs teach valuable lessons.
and those lessons help us grow,
Step by step.
just like learning a language.
Exactly.
Jane, let's imagine a situation that happens in many workplaces.
All right.
Two coworkers are talking about a project.
That's a very common situation.
Let's listen to their conversation. Hey Jane, do you have a minute?
Sure.
I wanted to talk about the new project.
Of course.
How is it going so far?
Pretty well.
That's good to hear.
We made a lot of progress this week.
Excellent.
But there are still a few things we need to finish.
That's normal.
Projects usually take time.
Yes. Do you think we'll meet the deadline?
I believe so.
That's great.
The team has been working very hard.
Teamwork really helps in situations like this.
It does.
Everyone brings different strengths.
Exactly.
Have there been any challenges?
A few small ones.
Like what?
Some tasks took longer than expected.
That happens sometimes.
Yes.
But it sounds like the team handled it well.
We tried to stay flexible,
Flexibility is important.
especially when projects change.
That's true. Do you feel confident about the final result?
Yes, I do.
That's great.
Everyone is doing their best.
That's all anyone can ask for. Conversations like this happen every day at work.
Yes.
People talk about projects,
Deadlines
tasks.
and teamwork.
These conversations help people stay connected.
And they help teams stay organized.
Exactly. Jane, do you enjoy collaborating with coworkers on projects?
Yes, I do.
Why?
Because collaboration brings new ideas.
That's true.
When people share ideas, solutions appear faster.
And problems become easier to solve.
Exactly.
Teamwork can be very powerful.
It really can.
Jane, after talking about work today, I realized something.
What's that?
Work is not just about tasks.
That's true.
It's also about people,
Yes.
coworkers,
Teamwork.
communication.
And learning new things.
Exactly. Every job teaches something valuable.
Sometimes we learn technical skills.
Sometimes we learn patience.
And sometimes we learn how to work with different personalities.
That can be one of the most important lessons.
Absolutely.
Workplaces bring many different people together,
Each person has their own experiences
their own ideas.
and their own ways of solving problems.
That diversity can create strong teams.
Yes.
When people respect each other, amazing things can happen.
I completely agree.
And just like learning English, growth at work takes time.
Step by step.
Experience builds confidence.
And confidence helps people do their best.
Exactly. So whether someone is starting their first job or building a long career,
There is always something new to learn
that's what makes work interesting.
and meaningful.
Thanks for spending time with us today.
We hope this conversation helped you practice listening to real English.
Keep learning,
Keep listening.
and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.